Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I am Anna. I am your teacher.
Hello, I am Mark. I am the learner. I am happy to be here.
Today, we will talk about your day. We will talk about daily activities. Daily activities are the things you do every day.
Every day. Yes, I like this topic. It is simple and useful.
Yes, it is very useful. We talk about our day every day. So let's learn how to talk about your day in English.
Let's start.
Good. First, let me ask you, Mark, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Very good. Listen, everyone. Mark says, I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Great. Now you, listener, say, I wake up at, and say your time.
Good practice.
Mark, what do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I get up.
Good. Wake up means your eyes open. Get up means you leave your bed.
Wake up, get up.
Yes. Repeat. I wake up. I get up.
I wake up. I get up.
After you get up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Very good. Say it slowly.
I brush my teeth.
Good. Listener, repeat. I brush my teeth.
We brush our teeth every morning.
Yes, every morning. Then what do you do?
I wash my face.
Good. I wash my face. Repeat.
I wash my face.
After that?
I take a shower.
Very good. I take a shower, or you can say, I have a shower.
I take a shower. I have a shower.
Both are correct. Good job.
Thank you.
After you take a shower, what do you do?
I get dressed.
Yes, I get dressed. That means you put on your clothes.
I put on my clothes.
Good. Repeat, everyone. I get dressed. I put on my clothes.
Then I eat breakfast.
Excellent. I eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. I drink tea.
Very nice. Listen to the sentence. I eat bread and eggs. I drink tea.
Eat and drink.
Yes, we eat food, we drink water, tea, coffee, or juice.
Simple.
Yes, keep it simple. That is good for beginners.
After breakfast, I go to work.
Very good. I go to work, or some people say, I go to school.
Yes, students say, I go to school.
Repeat after me. I go to work. I go to school.
I go to work. I go to school.
How do you go to work, Mark?
I go to work by bus.
Good. I go by bus. You can say, I go by car. I go by taxi. I walk.
I walk.
Yes, some people walk to work. Repeat. I walk to work.
I walk to work.
Practice time. Listener, say, I go to work by, and say bus, car, taxi, or walk.
Good practice.
Mark, what time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30 a.m.
Very good. I start work at 8:30 a.m. Repeat.
I start work at 8:30 a.m.
During the day, what do you do?
I work on my computer. I talk to people. I have meetings.
Good. Short and clear. I work on my computer. I talk to people. I have meetings.
Sometimes I drink coffee.
Yes, many people drink coffee.
I drink coffee in the morning and in the afternoon.
Very good sentence. Repeat, listener. I drink coffee in the morning.
Or say, I drink tea in the morning.
Yes, use your own words.
At 12:30 p.m., I eat lunch.
Good. I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m.
For lunch, I eat rice and vegetables.
Very nice. Rice and vegetables. Healthy food.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Good sentence. I try to eat healthy food. Repeat that.
I try to eat healthy food.
After lunch, what do you do?
I go back to work.
Good. I go back to work. Repeat.
I go back to work.
In the afternoon, are you tired?
Yes, sometimes I am tired.
Good. I am tired, or I feel tired.
I feel tired.
But you continue to work.
Yes, I continue to work.
Good job. Then what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Excellent. I finish work at 5 p.m. Repeat.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
After work, what do you do?
I go home.
Simple and good. I go home.
When I get home, I relax.
Very good. I relax. What do you do to relax?
I watch TV, I listen to music, sometimes I read a book.
Wonderful. Listen carefully. I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book.
Simple daily activities.
Yes, these are daily activities.
Sometimes I exercise.
Very good. I exercise. That means you do sports or you move your body. I go for a walk. Good. I go for a walk. Repeat.
I go for a walk.
Practice time. Listener, say 3 things you do after work. Say, I watch, I listen to, I go.
Good practice.
In the evening, what do you do?
In the evening, I eat dinner with my family.
Very nice. I eat dinner with my family.
We talk about our day.
Good sentence. We talk about our day.
My mother says, "How was your day?"
That is a very common question. How was your day?
And I say, "My day was good."
Or you can say, my day was busy, or my day was great, or my day was not good.
Many answers.
Yes. Repeat after me. My day was good.
My day was good.
My day was busy.
My day was busy.
Great job.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Good. I wash the dishes.
Then I take a shower.
Good. You take a shower again.
Yes, sometimes.
After that,
I brush my teeth again.
good habit.
Then I go to bed.
Very good. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you say before you sleep?
I say good night.
Perfect. Good night.
Then I sleep.
Yes, I sleep.
And the next day, I wake up again.
And the day starts again.
Wake up, get up, brush teeth, eat breakfast.
Very good, you remember.
Yes.
Now let's practice telling a full day. I will help you.
Okay.
Start from the morning.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast.
Very good. Continue.
I go to work by bus. I start work at 8:30 a.m. I work on my computer. I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Excellent. And the evening?
I go home. I relax. I watch TV. I eat dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Wonderful. That is a full day.
It is simple.
Yes, keep sentences short. That is good for beginners.
Can we talk about weekends?
Yes, good idea. What do you do on the weekend?
On Saturday, I wake up late.
Good. I wake up late. That means not early.
Yes, I wake up at 9 a.m.
Very good.
I clean my room.
Good sentence. I clean my room.
I wash my clothes.
Yes, I wash my clothes.
In the afternoon, I meet my friends.
Nice. I meet my friends.
We drink coffee and talk.
Very natural. We drink coffee and talk.
On Sunday, I stay at home.
Good. I stay at home.
I watch movies.
Good. I watch movies.
I also visit my family.
Very good. I visit my family.
Weekend is different from weekday.
Yes, weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Great job.
Can listeners practice now?
Yes, listener, say on Saturday, I, on Sunday, I.
Use simple sentences.
Now let's review important verbs. Listen and repeat.
Okay.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Get up.
Get up.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Finish work.
Finish work.
Go home.
Go home.
Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Very good.
I feel more confident now.
That is great. Confidence is important.
Talking about my day is not so hard.
Yes, use simple words. Use short sentences. Repeat every day.
Practice every day.
Yes, practice every day. Talk about your day in English every day.
Every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and good luck with your English.